Hello, Hilltop. It's Mr. Amici again, and I hope you're ready for a Flex Fitness Friday. Did any of you recognize what I was using in my little entrance there? It was a jump rope. So today's Flex Friday lesson is going to be teaching you about how to jump rope, as well as the important health benefits of jumping rope. So those of you who have been at Hilltop before know we do our Kids Heart Challenge, formerly known as Jump Rope for Heart. And they choose jump rope as a heart-healthy activity because it's such a great exercise for that heart muscle of yours. Now, before we start learning with a jump rope today, we're going to talk more about that heart muscle. Now, I put up a poster on our poster board here. Hey, there's our pyramid of respect. I'm going to move this closer, and we're going to talk for a minute about this. Whoa, that looks kind of cool. Does anybody know what that is that we're looking at? Yeah, that's like the inside of a human's body. Now, I've attached a poster to your lesson tile today that is a diagram similar to this one that I have here in the gym. And it's talking about your heart muscle. So your heart, you can feel it beating inside of your chest. It's in the middle of your chest, a little bit over to the left. And you can feel your heart beating. What that beating actually is that you're feeling is that heart muscle has blood inside these openings. They call them ventricles. And what that does is they squeeze these little ventricles. They're like an opening. They squeeze, and whatever blood is in there, it pushes the blood out these valves that are inside your heart. Now, if you look at this map, you see how it makes a human body shape? We got legs and arms and a head. And you can see the red. It almost looks like a river or like little streams. Those are your veins or your vessels or your arteries. Those are the things, they're like little tunnels that carry blood that gets squished or pumped out of your heart to the rest of your body. Does anybody know why we have all these veins or tubes to move blood to our whole body? Well, the reason for that is your muscles that are located all over your body and all of your cells, everything your body is made up of, needs blood as fuel. And that blood carries things like oxygen and other things that you need for your body to work right. And you'll notice, well, Mr. Amici, some are red and some are blue. Well, the reason they're two different colors is because the tubes that are red, those are the tubes that hold the blood that have oxygen in them. Now, once our muscles and the cells in our body use up the oxygen in that blood, we need to put new oxygen into it. So all these blue tubes or veins, arteries, and vessels are all ones that then go back to your heart. And what's inside that heart? Some blood for you to pump to the rest of your body, but it has to get oxygen first. So that's why you'll notice your lungs and your heart are right near each other, because you breathe in air, that air goes into your lungs, and then it mixes with that blood in your heart and sends that blood, that oxygenated blood or blood that has oxygen in it, sends it to the rest of your body so that you can move and use all those cells and muscles in your body. And then when that blood runs out of oxygen, it takes the blue tubes on its way back to the heart to get more oxygen, so then it can pump down to the rest of your body again. So your heart is a very strong muscle. And just like all the other muscles in your body, the more you use that heart muscle, the stronger it gets, and the stronger or better it can pump the blood from the ventricles out into your body. So that's why we focus so much on exercising when we have PE time with Mr. Amici, because we're strengthening that heart in our body, and that helps us pump that oxygenated blood and the blood that carries all the other things we need to help our body work right. So that's a reason that they choose jumping rope for our Kids Heart Challenge, because it's such good exercise for us, and it helps strengthen that heart muscle. Now I'm going to move our camera back. Hey! Remember our pyramid of respect we talked about? It's still there. Okay. So the diagram that's attached to your Otis tile today is just for you to reference or to look back on to help try to get you to understand that your heart is a big, strong muscle in your body that pumps all the blood in your body to the rest of your body, like your brain and your muscles in your arms and legs. And then when all the oxygen's used up, then the blood goes back to the heart and lungs to get some more. It's a pretty amazing way that your body works. Now we'll keep learning all the different ways that your body works, like how your heart pumps blood and how your muscles work, and other fun things for you to learn about the way your body works, so it's easier for you to understand why we do the certain things we do in PE. So now that we've talked about the heart, I think we can do a little warm-up, and then we'll get ready to learn our jump rope skills with a single rope, and then I'll have a little bit of time to show you some things you can do if you're sharing a jump rope with someone or if you're playing with another person. Do you think we're ready? All right. Well, click to the next tile, and we're going to start our jump rope warm-up. We'll see you there. Go Hawks!